Garmin launches the Venu 2 and Venu 2S GPS smartwatches, 45mm watch case and 40mm watch case respectively, with the ultimate goal of encouraging Filipinos to live healthier lives in style. The latest Venu 2 series GPS smartwatches add a new fitness age and sleep score to its robust portfolio of all-day health monitoring features that provide users with deeper and more meaningful insights into their overall wellness. A new health snapshot helps users log, record and share important health stats with the healthcare provider. The Venu 2 series features a variety of workout options that include preloaded workouts on the watch, preset workouts available for download from Garmin Connect, and create your own customizable workouts with more than 1,400 exercises to choose from.